Now, this has to be one of the most ridiculous things I've read in recent times. This is an article on Business Insider. Right now, I'm just showing you the Facebook post which they've put up on this particular topic. The topic is, could trophy hunting actually be helpful? Now, you have this picture, perhaps of Cecil the lion. Now, it says below that a controversial hunting method could actually help protect wild animals like Cecil the lion. Calls to ban all trophy hunting may actually hurt conservation efforts. That's what they say. And if I just go to the article itself, if I just hop on there, you can see that why Cecil the lion's death shouldn't make us ban all trophy hunting. I've provided a link to the article itself below the video, so you can have a read of that. And essentially talks about the fact that Cecil the lion was killed in Zimbabwe, and yet trophy hunting may not always be harmful, in spite of all the outrage surrounding what Minnesota dentist Walter Palmer did. And the crux of the article is that since these trophy hunters, they pay a lot of money, and these countries like Zimbabwe, where Cecil the lion was hunted, they're essentially poor countries. So the fact that that money could be used towards conservation efforts is absolutely ridiculous. Money can come in from so many different sources. So to say that money from trophy hunting can help fund conservation elsewhere, this has to be one of the most bizarre arguments ever heard. Why would you collect money which has been obtained by killing animals, by taking lives? How can that be used to protect others? You can't take lives to save lives. That's the whole point. Now in this case, the Minnesota dentist, he paid 50,000. Last year there was a Texas hunter, he paid 350,000 US dollars to kill an endangered black rhino. Now these are absolutely ridiculous arguments. You can read through the article and perhaps share your own views. Cheers.